In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable your Indeed profile if you're taking a break from job searching, already found a role, or just want a little more privacy. It's a good idea to turn off the public visibility of your profile so employers can no longer view it. First, make sure you're logged in to your Indeed account. This might sound obvious, but it's an easy step to overlook. If you're not signed in, you won't see the options you need. So open your browser, go to the Indeed website and log in with your usual details. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, which is the central hub for your job search activity. On the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page for your account area. This is usually represented by your name, a profile icon, or a small menu linked to your account. Click on that account section to open up the account-related options. This is where you can access things like your settings, your profile, and other personal information tied to your account. From there, you'll want to navigate to your profile, look for an option labeled Profile, and click it. This profile page is where Indeed stores your work history, your resume, your skills, and any other professional information you've added. It's what employers see when your profile is public, so this is the area you need to adjust. Once you're on your profile page, take a moment to locate the privacy controls. You're looking for something clearly labeled privacy or an option related to who can see your profile. This is usually found within the profile settings or near the visibility section. If you see an option that mentions visibility, public profile, or who can view your information, you're in the right place. Now, find the specific setting that controls whether your profile is publicly visible. This might appear as a toggle switch, a checkbox, or a selection between options like public and private. To disable your Indeed profile from being seen by employers, you'll want to turn off public visibility. That typically means switching from public to private, or turning the toggle off so your profile is no longer available in employer searches. When you make this change, your existing information is still saved in your account, but it's hidden from public view. Employers won't be able to discover your profile through searches, and your details won't be shared with new potential employers through the profile system. This is helpful if you want to keep your information intact for later without actively advertising that you're looking for work. After you've turned off public visibility, it's a good idea to double check that the change has been applied. Look for a confirmation message or a label that clearly indicates your profile is now private or not visible to employers. If you ever decide to start job hunting again, you can simply return to this same privacy area and turn public visibility back on. And that's all you need to do. By logging in, going to your profile, finding the privacy option, and turning off public visibility, you've successfully disabled your Indeed profile from public view.